Hey everyone, how you doing? It's MTF Print, and today I just want to show you a real quick video on how to use a Bambulab reusable spool with a reusable spool. So first, what you're going to want to do is unscrew your empty spool. And there's going to be a notch on the longer side. There it is right there. What you're going to do is on your cardboard inner spool, you're going to locate that notch. I am just now noticing while editing this, right there, you see that yellow tag? You want to take that yellow tag out because that'll be your reusable sticker tag for when you change over your spool. That's really important if you want to use it, and I completely missed it in the recording. Alrighty, once you have your two notches found, all you have to do is line them up, and it should feel good with the press in there. Then all you do is take the other half of your spool, and you just line it up until it feels good, and you're going to rotate it until it clicks. You want to make sure there is no gap between the filament and your spool. After doing that, make sure to find your start point of your filament. This one's bent a little bit. The other spool I had, it was in one of the wrappers. And all you're going to want to do is hold on to that end while you start peeling these wrappers away. They should come off pretty easily, but they are a little bit adhesive. And you just pull it away. And then once you get near one of these holes, you can put your nub through the hole and it'll hold it for you to take off the rest of the wrappers. And if you don't completely miss seeing it like I did and you want to relabel your spool, you can take that yellow tag I showed you, and it's a sticker. You just peel it off and you put it where the previous tag was. Now you'll see when I do it, it covers the wording and makes it kind of look like gibberish, so I think I'm just going to use tape. Also for the fact that this is translucent PETG and that PLA tag is just from a previous spool that I tried out. And there you go, your refill spool is ready to go. Make sure to like and subscribe, do all that cool stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.